Create a comprehensive analysis of DeepSeek AI, a Chinese artificial intelligence company that has rapidly grown in prominence since its founding in 2023. Begin with an overview of the company's origin, including its founding by Liang Wenfeng and its headquarters in Hangzhou, Zhejiang, China. Highlight the company's flagship model, DeepSeek R1, focusing on its performance compared to other prominent AI models, such as OpenAI's GPT-4. Emphasize the cost efficiency of DeepSeek's AI models, detailing how DeepSeek R1 was trained for around $6 million, significantly lower than GPT-4's estimated $100 million cost, and how this impacts accessibility for businesses and developers. Discuss DeepSeek's open-source approach to AI, and how this fosters innovation by allowing developers to freely access and modify its AI models. Consider the benefits and challenges of open-source AI, including concerns regarding data security, misuse, and how these issues have led to regulatory scrutiny from governments worldwide. Explore DeepSeek's release of its free chatbot app based on the DeepSeek R1 model, and how it became the most downloaded free app on the iOS App Store in January 2025, surpassing ChatGPT in popularity. Include an analysis of the broader implications of DeepSeek's success, touching on the company's role in the growing global AI competition and how it's shaping the future of conversational AI. Lastly, address the regulatory and ethical challenges DeepSeek faces in terms of censorship, privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse of its technology in countries that have banned or restricted its use. Analyze how these issues have affected the company's growth and its future prospects in both China and international markets. Subscribe for more information.